You can literally hear the ocean from this house at 111 Laguna Street on the lower west side of Santa Cruz. We are just a block or so away from Westcliff Drive, the scenic Westcliff that you could walk and run on a daily basis. This home is as elegant as they come. There's a plethora of closets for all of your home storage needs. You want to shop? There's places to put it. And talk about elegant light fixtures. There's marble countertops in the kitchen and the bathrooms. And there is actually not one, but two homes. So you get two for the price of one, listed at $3,100,000 on the lower west side of Santa Cruz. 111 Laguna Street is our deal of the day. I'm Shemeika Fox, your Santa Cruz real estate expert. And if you want to hear the ocean from this home, give me a call on your cell phone. I would love to chat about it. Hope you will.